Hello YouTube, good evening. This is a follow-on video from my last video. If you haven't watched my last video about crash and boom, please make sure you watch that first, as it explains how I have set up this particular set of indicators. So make sure you watch that, and yeah, just make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. Okay, so this video, I'll try my best to make it really quick, is simply to explain how you make your trades. Okay, so most of the time what you get on YouTube and from a lot of people is when you trade crash and boom. So for example, if you trade boom, then you're always looking to sell. If you're trading crash, then you're looking to buy. Well, this strategy lets you trade it either way, so buy or sell, doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm sure this is gonna help a lot of people. So first rule, make sure price is above. This is very important, guys. Price, make sure it is above your 2 moving averages. That's number 1. Number 2, make sure your stochastic is also on the downturn, so it's coming from down going up. Your CCI and your MA8. Okay, so CCI is also breaking out. All right, once so that's 2. And finally, make sure that stochastic breaks out of the envelope. So as it breaks out of the envelope, that would have happened after the first green candle, this one here. Okay, that would have happened there. All you do next, as that happens, place a buy. Okay, so you place your buy there, and you just wait. Remember, this is a 5-minute time frame, so it gives you a lot of good reward as well. So wait for 5 minutes. As you can see, it pulled back into a loss, but bang, it moves back up again. Okay, now one of the best thing about this particular strategy is, can you notice that the envelope is at the bottom? If you want to be really selfish, what you're waiting for is that the envelope gets to the top, or when it crosses the 50% mark. Okay, I'll say that again. First rule, make sure your price is above your 2 MAs. Make sure your envelope is also at the bottom. Make sure your MA8 on your CCI is also at the bottom. Once price on the CCI indicator breaks out, stochastic breaks out of envelope, buy. And just be selfish. Every time price makes a good turn down, so you really want it to be quite out, so the green and the red of your stochastic are below 20%, another good time to buy. As you can see again, price breaks out of this, your alligator oscillator as well, like nearly 0. Same here, nearly 0 or 0. Price breaks out, your envelope is still below 50%, another buy. If you want to be selfish, you can make a buy here, buy here, buy here. But let's just be realistic and say the first buy is this, second buy is that, and you can see the reward. Okay, so that's for a buy. And for a sell, let me go to sell. Okay, there we go. So I remember, like in the last video, once price starts to interact within the white MA and the red, just ignore them, just wait. Okay, once price resumes, then you enter. If it doesn't, then leave it. Okay, so next step, price breaks down. So obviously you're not going to be in the markets yet, or you could obviously do something different and look for a breakout. That's up to you. Okay, you can look for a breakout, but if you're not sure, just ignore it. Okay, so as you watch this, then so we would have missed a lot of big opportunities until here. Okay, until there, your envelope just breaking above the 50% mark. Okay, so if you want to risk it, you can sell there, but personally I probably wouldn't even take that trade as well until it's clear. So I'm just going to leave this. That's what I would do. You don't have to, but that's what I would do. Okay, so I would have left that, and it keeps you out of many losing trades, if I may say. Let me see, there's one I can find on a sell. We've done a buy. Aha, there we go. Okay, so somewhere here, nice sell here, we could have taken. Again, if you notice, it's just gone below the 50% mark, but we've got a good technical indicator here that could help us decide. So for example, price is below the 2 MAs. I'm not sure if you're aware of divergence. Maybe I'll do a video on that. You have a nice normal divergence here. Okay, beautiful divergence, and as you can see, it breaks out of the parabolic SAR. Nice sell. And guess what, it also breaks out here. So that's, and you can see that on the AO is 0 at this breakout point. So all three matches, stochastic breaks out of envelope, AO is on 0, and CCI, MA breaks out of CCI as well. So perfect sales there. Another thing you could have seen here is you also have so if you look from here all the way down to your stochastic here, you can see a hidden divergence. So you can trade it if everything is not perfect, if you know what you're looking for. Perfect, reversal, continuation. Okay, so that's really all you're looking for. Again, this is another buy. This seems to work perfectly on buys. It's all 0, breaks out. Funny enough, you get your 0 on your AO there. So if you wanted to wait for full confirmation, like and remember what I said, if it's within those, I'm always very careful. But once it blows out of the 2 MAs, you see what happens here. AO is on 0. you buy. And remember, your envelope helps you. So your take profit would be once your envelope gets close to the top. Okay, you can also see a sign with a divergence forming as well. So those are the things you look for, and you come out of it. Okay, so this works really well. Just test it out, and I'm sure you guys will really gain from it. That's boom 500. Let's look at maybe crash 500. You see, this is giving you an idea that there might be a buy coming, that this might be pushing out. Okay, so look at this here. Price breaks out, or breaks down, sorry. And guess what? Boom. Starts to go down. Check this out again. Okay. Gets to 0 on AO. This breaks out. Another sell. Okay. And it's pretty easy to just follow it. Okay. So that's what you guys are looking for. Those breakouts. If it's under the moving average, you sell. If it's above, you buy. And when it crosses those lines are the times you actually sell. Okay, when it crosses those lines, and at this point we're looking for buys. I wouldn't, like I said, I would not buy anyway until this comes out, reverses, then I'll follow this. Okay, so that's all I do. You don't need to take a whole lot of trades. Just take good ones that last you an hour, 2 hours. That's all you need. Put it on a 5-minute chart, follow the rule. You'll see that you're going to make a lot more profit rather than just coming in for 10 seconds, making small profit, and then if you get caught on a big spike, all the profit you've made is gone. Okay, that's not what we want. So try this. I'm sure you guys will love it. It's a game changer, to be sincere. The more you use it, the more you're going to be like, what have I been doing with Crash and Boom? So try it out. Let me know. Please like, subscribe, and I'll get another video done for volatility index and how to use the same for volatility.